Hello guys, and in today's video I will be testing out Kaspersky Internet Security. Now, this product, just to start off, is pretty heavy on the system. It's okay, I guess, but if we check out memory usage, I just want to show this first because if you have a bad system, your system wouldn't run that well. As you can see, it's taken up a fair amount of CPU, which is worse than taking up a lot of RAM nowadays. Now, if we also go up to details, as you can see now, it's just taken up so much CPU, and it's taken up about 86 megabytes. So that's okay. It's just the CPU. It's taken up a fair amount of CPU, and that kind of worries me for anyone who has a bad computer or not a good computer with a bad CPU in it, like I do. Yeah, that would kind of worry me. So if we open up Kaspersky, our computer is protected. Okay. So we can do our scan, our database update. We can do save money, which is basically like it would prevent keyloggers from actually going into this browser and capturing your keystrokes. It's basically like another browser. So if we click it, oops, skip. Just wait. Hopefully I can get it. Oh no, it's an on-screen keyboard. Okay. Oh, and you can add a website. Okay. I didn't know that. I don't use this, by the way, though. I mean, if you shop all the time, I think this feature would be good for you. Then here's privacy protection and parental controls, which is okay, I guess. If you have a kid, you can use it. And then protection for all devices, which is obviously for your phone and stuff. So yeah, if we go into settings, the protection is on. It performs recommended actions automatically. And yeah, let's go to protection. Their file antivirus is on. Now I'm going to change some settings, guys. I'm going to set it to delete whenever it detects something. And I'm also going to enable some of these settings in here. Like, I don't know why. Wait, is it enabled? Where is their controls watcher or whatever? Application control. I don't know. But anyway, I will not make it disinfect. I will delete. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward, but for like a novice user, it would probably get messed up around here. So, and here's the web antivirus. So basically, it would try to it would scan incoming web traffic and prevents dangerous scripts from running. So like exploits. Application controls monitors all the applications that are installed. Firewall, which is basically just a firewall. Private browsing, which protects against collection of information. Oh, so basically this protects against like screen captures, and not like a recorder or something, but like type of piece of malware that would just like spy on you, like Windows 10. And then here's webcam protection, prevent spying on you via webcam. Software updater, anti-banner, network attack blocker. So like this is like a firewall, I'm pretty sure. System watcher, it's like you roll back some malware changes. The IM antivirus, it would scan incoming and outgoing IM messages, so like probably emails or something. I'm not sure. Oh no, this is emails. I don't know what this is. IMs, I guess. Anti-spam, which is off, probably because so many false positives. Application manager, which would help you manage applications installed on your computer. Safe money. I'm going to turn this feature off. It might be taking up CPU, and I don't need this feature on. Okay. So now I'm just tweaking some of the settings. You can disable scheduled tasks when running on battery power to save battery. Automatically disable some features such as notifications when applications are launched in full screen mode. I'm going to also disable that. So this is like a game mode. We can release resources of the operating system when the system starts up. I'm going to disable that. I'm not going to do an idle scan. Now it would also postpone computer scan tasks when the CPU and disk systems are at high load. I like this feature, but I'm not going to turn it on. But if I was on a computer, I might actually enable that. Okay, perform analysis of installed applications. So this would just basically scan your installed applications like the other feature, and then this would search for software that is intended to conceal traces of malicious programs in the system. So this would basically protect against rootkits, I guess. Then if we go to additional, we can update. We'll update settings. If we click on this, we can we can just set this. Okay, so this is basically like an on-screen keyboard, which, to be honest, they don't need, because Windows comes with one. Here's their exclusions, self-defense, network settings, notification settings. If we click on this, they're hidden. Let me just do that. You can just reset that. Wait a second. If we go back, not self-defense. If we go back into notifications, you can notify about events. So if you hate it when it pops up all the time, oh, it detected a threat, you can just disable this. So also, here's the quarantine, reports in quarantine, additional protection and management tools. Oh, this is just the Kaspersky security network. The appearance, I don't know what this really is. Oh, it's just your language, the icon, and this. Smooth transitions, do not use. Let me just see this now. Yeah, this is better. I like how they had a setting like that, because I don't have a lot of video memory. Well, I don't have basically any video memory because I don't have a GPU. So anyway, let's check for updates. Guys, once it has checked for updates, I will be right back. Okay, it's up to date. So let's get started with the malware links. I got 10 malicious URLs. Mostly all of them are from today. Some of them, like a bit of them, are from yesterday, but they're all pretty much new. Oh yeah, and here, wait, their toolbar. Let's enable this. Okay, this link was blocked. Not surprising though. Blocked. Blocked. This one was alive. Hopefully it's not dead. Okay, wait, this one. Okay, this one was infected with Spy Z-Bot, so that one was blocked. Let's move on. Blocked. What? Wrong. Okay, I guess that one was blocked. I don't know if I did that, copied that twice or whatever. This one was also blocked. This one's probably dead. Oh no, it was blocked. Okay. Blocked. Blocked. And blocked. So, not surprising, because Kaspersky has very good signatures and web blocking. So, clean sheet in the web prevention test. So, let me get the malware samples. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable Kaspersky, and then I'm going, and remember guys, this is not disinfecting, this is deleting. So I'm going to disable it and then extract my malware samples. Yeah, by the way, guys, this malware, unfortunately, is 5 days old, so don't compare it with any of my other tests. It's just old, and unfortunately, Kaspersky will just get like an A+ on this, because they already have a good detection rate. It'll just be amazing. So in this malware pack, we got 336 items, and that's pretty much it. Now let's just do a right-click scan with Kaspersky and see what their interface looks like. Okay, guys, I'll be back once the scan has completed. And guys, actually, before I complete the scan, I would also like to say that Kaspersky is taking up a lot of CPU while scanning. I'm not sure if this is just while scanning, but it seems to be taking up a crazy amount of CPU right now. And hopefully the scan doesn't take 50 years, because that will just suck. So anyway, guys, I'll be back if the scan is whenever the scan is completed. If it doesn't finish in like 5 hours, or even maybe like 4 hours or something like that, I'm just going to cancel the scan, unfortunately. And I'm sorry for that, and then I'll just get some more links, and then we'll just use those. I'll try to get some more links if I can't do this. About 53 minutes left. Okay. Well, hopefully that's true and they're not just lying. So anyway, guys, I'll be back once the scan has completed. Okay, guys, the scan has completed. The scan speed, if you didn't know, was moderate to slow. It wasn't too bad, though, considering my system specs. It only took around 20 minutes. But you're probably like, only? Well, you know, I'm not boring you. Okay, if we open up the malware pack, there's nothing left, okay? Nothing left. Now, the only reason probably why that is happening is because this malware pack is 5 days old, and it's not surprising that it got rid of everything in it, but I would still recommend this product if you have a decent system, or at least like with an i3 or something, like a decent Pentium processor or even something like that. Hopefully you have like a good processor and have at least 4 gigabytes of RAM to run this thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's test. I do recommend Kaspersky. It seems like a good product, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you all have a good day and have fun going back to school if you're a kid like me. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, I don't want to go back to school, but anyway, have a good day, guys. See you.